If you're into crypto trading or thinking of starting, you've probably heard how volatile and unpredictable the market can be. But don't let that scare you. With the right strategies, you can avoid significant losses and maximize your profits. In today's video, I'm going to share essential tips that every trader needs to know to navigate the crypto world successfully. First things first, always set stop loss and take profit orders. These tools are game changers when it comes to managing your trades. A stop loss ensures you don't lose more than you can handle if the market moves against you, while take profit orders let you lock in gains without constantly monitoring the market. This simple step can save you from the stress of making decisions during price swings. Next, let's talk about how much you're investing. The golden rule is to never invest more than you're willing to lose. Cryptocurrencies are high-risk assets, and while they can yield great rewards, they can also lead to quick losses. Set a budget for trading and stick to it. Don't gamble with money you need for essential expenses. Another key to minimizing risk is diversification. Putting all your money into one cryptocurrency might seem tempting, especially if it's trending, but it's also risky. Spread your investments across different coins, stable ones like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and promising altcoins. This way, if one coin drops, your entire portfolio isn't wiped out. Let's also address emotional trading. This is where most people go wrong. It's easy to panic and sell during a dip, or buy out of FOMO when a coin is skyrocketing. But successful trading requires discipline. Stick to your trading plan and remember that markets go through cycles. What goes up will likely come down, and vice versa. One strategy I highly recommend is dollar cost averaging, or DCA. With this method, you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, no matter what the market looks like. It's a great way to reduce the impact of volatility and ensure you're not going all in at the wrong time. Security is another critical aspect of crypto trading. Your assets are only as safe as the platforms and tools you use. Always use exchanges with a good reputation, enable two-factor authentication, and consider using a hardware wallet for storing large amounts. This adds an extra layer of protection against hacks or cyber threats. Research is your best friend in this space. Before investing in any coin, take the time to understand its purpose, the team behind it, and its potential in the market. A little homework can save you from investing in a project that lacks substance or sustainability. And don't forget to learn some basic technical analysis. Tools like RSI, moving averages, and candlestick patterns can help you identify trends and make more informed trading decisions. Combine this with staying updated on news and global events, as these often drive market sentiment. In summary, crypto trading isn't just about luck. It's about strategy, discipline, and continuous learning. Set clear goals, protect your investments with the right tools, and always keep security a top priority. Stick around as we break down each of these tips in more detail and help you build a solid trading strategy that works for you. Let's get started.